In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, your PS5 controller might have stick drift, it might not be working properly, or it might not be responsive. So there's a few different things you're going to want to go ahead and do. The best thing to do is literally, instead of playing wirelessly, play wired. So connect your PS5 with a USB-C wire over to your console, because you're going to have much better connection that way. Also, if you're having any stick drift or anything like that, all you want to do is go ahead and see if there's any dust or anything like that around your joysticks like this, and try and blow it out if you can. Now, let's say you're having any more issues. What you could do is go over to your settings like so, and then just want to find accessories like here. Once you go ahead and click on that, go to controller. And then you want to make sure your DualSense wireless controller device software is completely up to date, because that's going to fix any issues or errors that you should be having. That's definitely like the best method to go ahead and use. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.